Hello, this is Vanessa, and I'm here to help you reamp your resume. So, you want to reamp your resume, tired of the same old black and white Word document? Follow along with me and learn how to create a well designed resume with InDesign using the basic design principles. What you need is a resume template, and here's a link. I provided a link for the template, an Adobe account, access to Adobe InDesign, a headshot or brand logo, knowledge of the four basic design principles. So before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about the design principles. Uh, so first, we're going to talk about proximity. Use proximity in your resume by grouping like items together. Alignment. Every design element placed in your resume should be visually aligned to something else on the page. Contrast. Use contrast in your resume by choosing complementary colors. Repetition. Repeating certain characteristics, fonts, colors, layouts, design layouts within your design will keep your resume unified and cohesive. So that's a little bit about the basic design principles. So let's get started. So I provided a link within the instructions, but since I already have the InDesign file on my desktop, I could just get started right now. So, yeah, this is a template that I have provided. Uh, so this it already kind of follows the design principle already, but we can add a little bit more to it. So, um, like it says in the tutorial or the instructions, you could press T